my shaker with me today. And I'm going to sing the same songs that we sing in class when we use our shakers. Sometimes we use our shakers and sometimes we use claves when we click them together, but you might not have these at home. So maybe you could get spoons and you could click them, or you could use them like claves. You could play them together, or you could get something like a pan and hit it. So you can use something that's in the house already, but I'm going to use my shaker. So we normally sing, well, I sing 2 Gaelic songs to you in class, and sometimes we go fast and sometimes we go slower. So I'm going to do it slow to start with, and then we might get a little bit faster. Horin now la la nukum horin now la la nukum sette again do that. Horin now la la nukum horin now la la nukum sette again do that. Yaun rua geregilia boy rua geregilia yaun rua geregilia mare vere bahar. Yaun rua geregilia boy rua geregilia yaun rua geregilia mare vere bahar. Horin now la la nukum renau la la nukum set again do that. Horin now la la nukum horin now la la nukum set again do that. And now I think we're going to go a little bit faster. Are you ready to join in? Rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a dimity bitikin calico, rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a sheet of vari. Rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a dimity bitikin calico, rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a sheet of vari. Broken art the caught the scarlet caught a dimity bitikin calico, broken art the caught the scarlet, rippin' and reeve off Mari. Broken art the caught the scarlet caught a dimity bitikin calico, broken art the caught the scarlet, rippin' and reeve off Mari. Rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a dimity bitikin calico, rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a sheet of vari. Rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a dimity bitikin calico, rippin' and reeve off me in a nila caught a sheet of vari. Well done.